Unkabogable phenomenal superstar Vice Ganda has just turned 48 years old on this year's Easter Sunday, March 31. He took to social media and shared a glimpse into his intimate and fun birthday celebration. On Instagram stories, the comedian treated his followers to some clips showing snippets of his birthday dinner. The feat was joined by his loved ones, including his mom Rosario Viceral, his partner Ian Perez, and friends like NC and Petite, to name a few. Meme Vice was presented with various delectable birthday cakes from his loved ones during the heartwarming dinner. On his 48th birthday, Vice Ganda took to social media and shared a stunning and colorful reel. In the video, the It's Showtime host was seen posing gorgeously in stylish outfits. Mothering video tutorial from the unkabogable mother of mothering. Daming mother. Wow! He wrote along with the reel posted on his special day shows the unkabogable phenomenal superstar posing gorgeously during his recent birthday shoot. He was also seen wearing some chic outfits in the 1-minute video. Alongside the reel, the It's Showtime host likewise penned a witty caption. Mothering video tutorial from the unkabogable mother of mothering. Daming mother. Wow! He wrote along with the hashtag #fullbirthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Shala, ganda ng mga cakes.
Wow, kala mo naman may dala ka.
Oh, ayan.
Diyos ko talaga yung dala mo, ano, Spanish bread? to anong nilaki ng braso nung kasama mo, bakla siyang diliit ng ano niya. Thank you!
Happy birthday, Mime!
Happy birthday! Thank you!
Happy birthday.
Kumis ka kaya, no? Naka-video tayo, wala kang kiss. Naka-kiss. Wala kang kiss ko.
Blow mo na! Naka-video tayo!
Naka-video tayo. Sa amin yan.
Blow mo na, naka-video tayo. Just kikiss-king ka, baby.
Tapos, kakain lang!
Thank you, Dong!
Happy birthday! Ay,
Bagay mo yung gelatin cake mo.
From your mother's you ba sa pamangkin, happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to